What's up guys, welcome to another video. My name is Parker Carroll and today we're going to be painting a Nissan 370Z body and installing new tires. Here is the Nissan 370Z body, Yokomo DRC tires and MST body post, and we have this wall repair fabric that is square mesh that we're going to be using for the roof to make carbon fiber. And the first step is going to be cutting out the body. Now we are going to wash it off in the sink to get it all clean. Now that the body is all clean, we can start masking. Cut out the side windows to make it look more realistic and mask off the roof for the carbon fiber. Now I'm gonna drill the holes for the body post. Now that the body posts are all in, we can paint the front body post and the rear wing red and the mirrors black. Now we are going to do the first coat of red on the body. And the second coat. And now I'm peeling off the roof mask to do the carbon fiber. First coat is black. And then take off the mesh, and now we're going to do silver. And then I backed it with black so the silver isn't so bright. And now we can take off the outside film to see how the paint turned out. Now I'm going to take off the window mask and the light mask. I'm going to use some shoe glue and glue down the light buckets. Now that the light buckets are all on, we can top it off with some stickers. Now we can put on the rear wing and the mirrors. We're going to install the new tires. First step, take off all the wheels. Fill a pot up with water and put it on the stove till it's boiling. You're going to need some tongs and a paper towel. Let the wheels sit in the hot water for about 10 minutes, then take them out and use a paper towel to pull the tires off the rim. Now take the new tires and place them in the hot water. And now you can take the rims and put them in the freezer so they'll shrink a little bit. Let the tires sit in the water for about 10 minutes, then take them out and place the cold rim on the tire and snap it on. Now that all four wheels are done, we can put them back on. Body is all on, looks super good. This thing is actually for sale, so if you want to buy it, DM me on Instagram or it'll be on Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. This thing turned out awesome, and like I said, this thing is for sale, so DM me on Instagram or it'll be on Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. Thing looks great. It's like new body and tires that haven't even been run yet, and the inside looks almost new. So go check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.